Hello everyone, my name is Ecolka, and today I am playing on the game Brawlhalla. You may have heard of this game. And right now I am playing a public game. Yeah, they just been updating Brawlhalla so many times, I'm like, I have to play this at least once. So yeah, they've updated games so much you can find public games where you're going to be doing a battle. I guess it's going to be a team battle. Whoa, we have 10 lives. Who am I, Koji? I don't know why I chose him, but I guess I did. Hey! Oh god, I haven't played this game in so long. Just like Need for Speed. I haven't played it in like forever. So, pray God I know what I do. Pray God I remember what I'm actually doing. Oh god. Nope, I really don't remember at all. Hey! You stupid... Duh. Come on! This is insane! Okay, so much is happening right now, guys. This is me jumping, you know. So much is happening right now. We're in a team, I guess. Whew! I'm just gonna button mash like a boss, kind of. Button mash! Some games are good with button mashing like this, but... Wait. And jump! Ugh. This is so confusing. I can hardly remember what's happening. Did I die? Oh, come on. I'm like the only one on my team that's dead. I mean, that's died once. Oh, come on. I'm so bad at this. I need to remember how to block and stuff in this game. So yeah, we each have 10 lives, I guess. So how are you guys doing today? Good? I am. I'm also doing this video on the same day as I am doing the next Need for Speed video. Trying to get it back on track with all my videos I've been doing. Cause yeah, I'm kind of taking a break with it. So yeah. Oh god, no. Ugh. Whew. This is one crazy match right here. It really is. Jump. Ugh. Come on. Okay, I just blocked. Ugh. Oh yeah, I finally got somebody. I got whoever that person was. Oh, come on. Ugh, get out of here. Duh! Come on! I can't believe that guy got me. Actually, I think that was the guy I killed before, so he kind of got payback on me. Wow. Lame. Duh, no, you took my weapon, you jerk! You're the worst teammate ever. Okay, that's a... Come on, I gotta take out somebody. I gotta take out another person, come on! Whew. Jump. Ugh, come on! This is insane right now. This is literally insanity. Ugh. Just slice and dice. Slice and dice! Ugh. Jump. Block. Nope, I really didn't have to block right there. Ugh. Oh god, I have no weapon. Okay, jump. Can I take his weapon? Oh man, I wish I could. Ugh. I'm gonna work you with my own hands, son. Get work with my own hands. My own hands are wrecking you, you noobs. Okay, finally got a weapon. Ugh. See guys, what's cool about this is I'm not just playing against my own computer. I'm playing against real live people right now. Ugh. And yeah, I know I'm spamming the right key, but it's kind of made to do that in this game. Ugh, so close to getting her right there. This person here that I keep wrecking is the new character that was released. I forgot her name now, although I think they just released a new character. It's just so confusing to remember all the different characters in this game because they keep making more and more new characters. It's actually kind of annoying. Oh god, this isn't my own teammate. Okay, yeah. Oh, I did not see him coming right there with that. Ugh! Get wrecked, son! I got you back for what you've done to me all these years. And he's probably gonna get me back. Duh! Yeah, he's definitely getting me back. Oh god. Come on, take him down. Take him down old school. Old school! Take him down old school. With my fists. Oh. Okay, guys, here's a lesson. Your fists, you can't punch your way out of every fight. Out of every fight. You can't. Hiya! Doo. Shing shing! Jump! Ugh. Come on. Oh yeah, there, I got the bow finally. Okay, there's my own teammate right there. Ugh! Oh, whoa, did you guys just see how that guy threw the bomb? That was awesome. Oh god. Ugh. Okay, I'm button mashing. Button mashing! Button mashing! Okay, you can't always button mash, but still. Ah! I'm a cheater, I'm a cheater, I'm a cheater, skeeter, button mashing. Jump. Ugh. So much is happening right now, it's insane. Jump. Okay. Ah! No! Wait, jump. Wait, jump, jump. Okay, button mashing again. I'm button mashing and I just beat that guy. Okay, and button mash, button mash. Button mash, button. Okay, not here. Not here. Not right now. And button mash, button. Button mash, button mash. I like button mashing. Ugh. Guys, I was trying to take out one of the enemies, instead I took out my own teammate. I'm such a noob sometimes. I took out my own teammate! No! I bet my own teammate's gonna hate me, although my own teammate's probably happy that I just got wrecked by this guy named Ulgrim. More like Crapgrim. Crapgrim! Crapgrim, Crapgrim. And that's what you get, son! That's what you get for wrecking me earlier! Oh. Get down, jump, jump. Guys, sorry for that really annoying noise. I'm just getting really freaked out right now. Because all these people are going right on me. They're stepping on me. Stepping on me like I'm some spider in their bathroom. They're trying to go to the bathroom. You know how that is, guys, when you're like when you're about to go to the bathroom and there's like some spider stalking you and you're like, ah! It ruins my life. Ugh. And oh man, I was so close to just doing that correctly for once. Ugh. Ugh. And get ready. Oh, so close! I was so close to doing that correctly. It's good for dodging. I just watched that bomb just like fall. Just gonna wait. Come on, why can't I do this correctly for once? Ugh! It's like that person just keeps dodging all my attacks. Okay, that's it. That's it! Oh, great. Goodness gracious. Oh. Come on! My own teammate killed me. Well, I'm just happy to know that he's got wrecked for his actions. You re-patootie! Re-patootie! Okay. I have the most amount of lives in my team, so I have the most amount of lives in the whole game. Because I'm actually being patient, and I'm not a noob like these other people on my team who don't know what the heck they're doing half the time. In Bodvar, when I get a bomb, I'm totally gonna wreck Bodvar. Now I actually don't want the bow, which is really annoying to know. Oh god! Run! Here I am, guys. Right here. Remember me. Remember me. Oh. I know what I want. I know what I want. I want a bomb for Christmas. I just wasted that bomb so much. I wasted it so much. Oh yeah, I just wrecked that guy with my bare hands. My bare hands. What's that band called? Bare Hands. Yeah. Ugh, come on. Oh, well, at least I blew up someone. Oh, that person's name is Brawlhalla. I think Brawlhalla got the first kill. Brawlhalla finally got a kill for once. Well, KO on someone, because you don't even really die. You just kind of randomly reappear out of nowhere. Ugh. Like being dazed and... Oh, come on. I finally died. Come on, Bodvar. My own teammate is, like, trying to kill me today. Isn't that ridiculous? My own teammate is trying to kill me. My own teammate. I know I do that in Sky Wars, but come on. I'm getting this bomb right now. Yes, yes. No! No! I need that bomb. I really need that bomb. No! Oh, come on. You just wasted that bomb, Brawlhalla. No! Oh my god. My teammates are the most dumbest people ever. Ugh, come on. I wish they could take damage from me because I am so annoyed with these people. And just gotta get ready in. Come on, come on, come on. Why are they all going on me? Oh, good. That Bodvar, that dumb Bodvar guy died, finally. Finally! I think I just set my own teammate on fire. You're on fire, fire, do 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 do. Oh, come on, they have more lives than me, so I'm probably gonna get wrecked. Unless I just wreck this guy right now. Oh god. Nope. Ugh, not today. Not today. Okay, that's it, Olgrim. Olgrim, more like Jerkgrim. Jerkgrim. Oh god. Button mash, button mash. Oh, I just knocked his weapon right out of his hands like that. It's like slipped out. And jump up. Slice down on these guys. I gotta slice down on them. So I'm gonna be the only person on my team that's... Oh, God. Oh, come on! No! I just killed my own teammate. I killed my own teammate right there. Oh, yeah! Get ready. Oh, God, he's... Oh, come on. They still more lives than us. We're probably gonna be the death of us. Unless I can do this correctly. If I can do this correctly, I'm gonna be like, hallelujah! Hallelujah, hallelujah! I gotta block, I gotta block, I gotta block. When they're about to fight me, I need to block. Oh, no. No! Okay. We're both at 1 live. I just need to make it to the end. Because then we're gonna have a death match in a little bit over a minute. So I need to wait. I need to be patient. I need to be patient. I need to run. I seriously need to run right now. Because it's only me and these guys. So I have to run. I'm gonna be having to run for my life for a minute. If I want to win this. And let me tell you, I want to win. I want to win! And I'm at yellow, and these guys are really hardcore. So if I can hold them back for less than a minute now. Less than a minute. 40 seconds. Then I will win. I'll probably win that deathmatch. So, I need to do this. I need to do this correctly and perfectly, flawlessly. And I've done that before, but I can do that very rarely, and these people, they know what they're doing. I'm at orange. Dark orange. Okay, this might be death of me. Unless I can just block like that. They don't know about the death. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! No! No! At the last second! How did they do that? I was only at orange health, and they just one-shot. GG, GG. Oh my god. I really can't believe that. Oh my god. I don't know what to say about that. That's literally just insane. That's crazy. I don't believe that. I don't believe it. I just can't believe I just failed like that. Well, that game lasted long enough. So guys, I guess if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to be a Cool Up lover. And I'll definitely see you on the Cool Up side with a beautiful cherry on top with chocolate. Bye!